Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Ignacio, and right now I'm going to talk about the merchant credit card processing application form. So, first is the business information. The business information consists of the business name, the DBA name, or the doing business as name, if applicable, the business address, that would be the street, city, state, zip code, then the business phone number, the business email address, and the website URL or the link. This also includes the type of business entity, like, for example, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. The industry type, and then lastly, the description of products or services sold. Next is the ownership information. This is the information of the owner, which consists of the full name, the title or the position, the ownership percentage, the home address, which consists of, again, the street, city, state, and the zip code, phone number of the owner, the email address, as well as the social security number, and the date of birth. Then for the business details, this has the annual volume of sale. This is the estimated total sales volume for the year. The purpose of this is it helps the processor estimate the transaction volume they will handle. Next is the percent of card present and the percent of card not present. This is the percentage of transactions where the card is physically present or not. The purpose why we ask this is because this indicates the risk level. Card present transactions are generally less risky. Then we also have the percentage of MOTO, or the mail order telephone order. This is the percentage of transactions conducted via mail or telephone orders. The purpose of this identifies the proportion of transactions done through these methods. We also have the percent of internet, the percentage of transactions conducted via the internet. The purpose of this is important for understanding the merchant's online transaction volume. We also have the percentage of imprint. This is the percentage of transaction using card imprints. Purpose of this indicates the use of older methods of transaction processing, often for backup. We also have the average ticket, like the volume or charge. The average dollar amount of each transaction, that is what it is. Purpose of this helps in assessing the transaction profile and potential risk. And then we also have the total. This is the total percentage distribution of transaction types, which should add up to 100%. Then we have these. First is, do you, as a merchant, have a third-party software application or gateway or POS terminal? This is a question to the merchant. The meaning of this indicates whether the merchant uses third-party software or a POS terminal. And the reason why we ask this is this helps assess the technical setup and compliance requirements. Next question for the merchant is, do you store cardholder data? Well, the purpose for asking this is it is important for assessing data security practices and PCI DSS compliance. Next question is, have you experienced an account data compromise? Definition of this is this indicates if the merchant has had any incidents of compromised account data. Purpose why we ask this is it is important for assessing the risk and history of data breaches. Then if yes, if the answer of the third question is yes, next question would be, have you completed remediation? This is to ensure that any security issues have been addressed. Fifth question is the third-party software or the gateway vendor name and address. This is the information about the third-party software or the gateway provider used by the merchant. Purpose of this is important for compliance and integration with the payment processor. Next, we have the merchant bank account information. There is a deposit type. One is next day deposit. This ensures funds from transactions are deposited into the merchant's account bank or the merchant's bank account by the next business day. And then we also have by batch. This refers to batch processing, where the transactions are grouped and processed together at the end of the day. Next is the purpose. Specifies how deposits will be made into the merchant's bank account. We also have the account information like the routing number, which is the bank routing number for the merchant's bank. We also have the account number or the bank account number for deposits and the DDA account type. This is the type of demand deposit account or the checking or savings. Next, we have the fees. We have minimum processing fee. This is a charge applied if your monthly credit card processing fees fall below a certain amount. For instance, if your minimum processing fee is $25 and your total processing fee for the month are only $20, you will be charged an additional $5 to meet the minimum. Next is monthly fee. This is a flat fee that you pay each month for maintaining your merchant's account. It covers customer service, account maintenance, and other administrative costs. Lastly, we have the statement fee. This fee is charged for generating and delivering your monthly processing statements. These statements provide a breakdown of your transaction, fees, and other relevant information. We also have the lease fee. Well, if you are leasing an equipment, such as a credit card terminal, this is the monthly fee you pay for the lease. Leasing equipment can spread out the cost over time rather than paying a large amount upfront. Next, we have rental fee. Similar to a lease fee, a rental fee is what you pay for rent processing equipment on a short-term basis. Next, we have the supply fee. This fee covers the most of supplies needed for processing transactions, such as receipt paper, printer ink, or other consumables. The underwriting guidance. Underwriting is the process payment processor used to assess the risk of providing services to a merchant. The process, it includes evaluating business type, business type, sales volume, transaction amounts, and credit history. This requires the documentation like financial statements and business plans. Factors to be considered are the key factor includes business type, sales volume, average transaction size, and credit history. Then the outcome. The possible outcome includes approval, decline, or request for additional information. Next is we have the terminal options. We have the T60C terminal as well as the T650P. Let's start with the T650C terminal. Features of this includes a touchscreen display, high-resolution colored touchscreen for a user-friendly interface. Multiple payment methods, supports EMV chips, magnetic stripe, contactless or NFC, and mobile wallets. It offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE connectivity options for flexible deployment. Then this runs in Android OS or an Android operating system, allowing for a wide range of application. As for the security, PCI PTS 5.x certified, ensuring high levels of transaction security. Benefits of this can enhance users' experience, like intuitive interface and responsive touchscreen improve transactions efficiently. And this also has a versatile connectivity, like multiple connectivity options, provide flexibility for various business environments. The next we'll go with the T650P. For the T650P, payment methods of this supports EMV chip, magnetic stripe, and contactless payments. Portability this is compact and portable with battery power. Connectivity, this connects with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE. Display for this is a touchscreen interface. Security is PCI PTS compliance. The benefit for this is this has a versatility, multiple payment options, and connectivity features. The mobility, the T650P's portability for on-the-go transactions. It is user-friendly, high performance, and enhanced security, secure by PCI compliant transactions. Lastly, we also have the DES3 500 terminal with DES1 500 pin pad. The DES3 500 is a countertop terminal, fixed terminal for secure, high-volume transactions. Then it has a payment method which supports EMV chip, magnetic stripe, and contactless payment. While the DES1 500 pin pad, the secures pin entry, ensures customer pins are entered securely. This also has a compact design, like an ergonomic design suitable for countertop use. The display and keyboard, this displays a clear display and durable keyboard for ease of use. So the benefits of these two, this enhanced security, like secure pin entry with the DES1 500 reduces the risk of pin theft and fraud. So then the efficient transaction processing, fast and reliable processing with the DES3 500 terminal. This is also user-friendly. For the Verifone, T650C and T650P terminals, a popular pin pad option is the Verifone P400. The P400 is an advanced pin pad that supports major NFC or contactless schemes and features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen. It is equipped with the Verifone Secure OS and is PCI PTS 5.x approved, ensuring robust security for transactions. Additionally, the P630 pin pad is another viable option. It offers a 3.5-inch screen and supports a wide range of NFC contactless payment methods. It operates on Verifone Secure OS based on Android 10 and is PCI PTS 6.x approved, providing enhanced security features. Next, we have the personal guarantee and credit information authorization. One is personal guarantee. The guarantor's agreement to be personally liable for the merchant's account. Purpose of asking this is this provides additional security for the payment processor. Next, we have the guarantor information. This is used for identity verification and credit checks. Rates and schedule. Billing frequency. Purpose of this is to specify the frequency of transaction billing. This is how often billing occurs, either daily or monthly. We also have the business type and sub-business type. This is the type of business and specific subcategories. Purpose of asking this classifies the business for appropriate fee structure. Visa, debit card, Discover, American Express UpBlue program. This determines if an American Express transactions are processed through the UpBlue program. Last is the flat rate pricing. And we also have the tiered pricing. It provides variable rates based on risk and transaction type. The interchange plus pricing. This provides transparency in pricing with a clear markup over interchange costs. Miscellaneous product fee. Purpose of this is this covers the cost of additional services provided to the merchant. The occurrence fee is the charges for the event that it requires additional processing or handling. And we also have the PCI program fees. And that's it. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you also for listening. Have a great day.